Well, hello. This is Rochelle, and thank you for joining me here on the Creative Retreat YouTube channel. I'm so thankful for this beautiful devotional, and this is just a quick unboxing. I've got the originals, the Faith Art box here in South Africa, and I'm super thankful about that. Stunning alphabet, stunning colors, stunning devotional, and then a stunning washi tape. So this devotional is called He Bends Down, and it really is just such a revelation that I had this week. I actually said to my husband that I feel like I'm talking and nobody's hearing, and I was complaining about exactly that, how, even at work, I'm trying to get something through and it's just not heard, and nothing's changing because it's not heard. And then when I did the devotional and this specific verse in Psalms, I realized that God is not like man. Number one, He inclines His ear, He listens. He doesn't just bend down and hear, and He doesn't just hear from afar. He inclines His ear. He moves Himself in a direction so that He can hear you. And then when He hears you, He listens. He answers. He feels your call. It's not just a, yeah, we can talk about it later. And so that was just, for me, exactly what I needed this week. Art-wise, I took the stamp and I colored it with some watercolor markers. I should have prepped my stamp, number one, and should have just huffed on it a little bit more to give it that bit more moisture. So it did get a little bit stuck onto my page. It's not the end of the world, and it still looks absolutely beautiful. And then the message I obviously wanted to get across is that our Father is someone who bends down. He's someone who inclines his ear. And I did that with just various stickers from the sticker ephemera and the vinyl sticker sheet, and then spelled out some of the words with the alphabet stickers, which, by the way, I just absolutely love. And if you missed out on the mystery pack of alphabet stickers, oh my goodness, you need to get there. Anytime Creative Retreat has a sale on alphabet stickers, I make sure that I get some because they really are something that I use more often than not. Sticking that little butterfly there by my flower and deciding to add just another one of those flowers, and all the while just being thankful that as I'm even moaning, that no one hears that I'm overworked, and that no one hears that I'm tired, and that no one hears, and I'm feeling all sorry for myself. Our Father bends down. He hears, and more than hearing, He listens. So as you today also cry out to Him, don't you want to take a moment and just thank Him for hearing, and not just hearing, but listening? And I can see the little touches in my day the last few days of how beautiful He has listened. Just scribbling some on that non-stick packaging, which is fantastic, by the way. And then just underlining my word, underlining my word and splattering, sorry. And then that is the end result for today. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.